Hello everyone, I'm Nitika Bachhawat, and today I am going to discuss with you a case study, quite a landmark case study. And we have come across this case study while we were doing the chapter Contract Act. However, before I go into the case study, let me make an announcement to you all about the new upcoming batch that we have. So, Step Up with Yashas. Yashas Academy, in collaboration with An Academy, is launching its online batch for the May 22nd attempt. This batch starts on the 10th of November 2021, and this is a comprehensive batch where 100% English comprehensive batch. Yes, it's a comprehensive batch, so everything will be done in a detailed manner and not a fast track manner. This batch is for the CA Foundation aspirants. And to get this batch, use the code YESHAS, YESHAS. To unlock this batch, use the code YESHAS, YESHAS. Now, who all are going to be teaching you here? So, India's top educators will help you to excel in this course, where Mayur Nahata sir and Rajvardhan sir would be taking up accounts for you all. Anil Mishra sir would be taking up maths and stats for you all. Shamdar Ahmed sir would be dealing with economics, and me or Nitika Bachhawat, I'm going to do law for you all, and Pooja ma'am would be taking up business correspondence and reporting. It's not just a subscription for class, it's much more than just a class. So what do you get? You get live interactive sessions. Yes, you have you get to interact with the faculties. You get the recorded lectures with unlimited access, so you can view not just once or twice, but as many times as you want. You get access to the educator's note, all, not just our but every educator's note. Every fourth session is a doubt clearing session. The study materials that has been provided are in sync with the ICI material, and we also have practice mock test paper with analysis of the paper. So what are you waiting for? Get the subscription today. All the subjects at the price of one. Yeah, I mean it is at such a reasonable price. At just the price of one, you're kind of getting the all the four subjects. Multiple educators for each subject. Yes, you get to access the classes of every educator on the platform. And one subscription includes not just the classes but also the revision classes, the fast track batches, the test series. You just name it and you have it. So. Apart from that, we have colorful notes, crisp coverage, chapter wise, use of animations and charts, rack the brains, think as you study, question answer session, polls, important portions will be highlighted, and you have summary and practice questions also. So, how will you get the app? You go to the store, iStore, Play Store, whatever. You get the Unacademy Learning app. You click on your goal as CA Foundation and click on Get Subscription. The plus subscription for the CA Foundation is for 6 months it's 12,000, that is 2,000 per month. 12 months it is 16,000, that is 1,333 per month. 24 months is 22,000, that is 917 per month. We also have an iconic program, which is a flagship program of the Unacademy. So this iconic subscription is for 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months, where 6 months is for 24,000, that is 4167 per month. So I'm so sorry, it's 25,000, that is 4167 per month. 12 months is 35,000, that is 2917 per month, and 24 months is 58,000, that is 2417 per month. We also have, obviously, you're not going to stop at foundation, you're going to go to the next level also. So we also have an iconic subscription for the combo of both foundation and inter. We have a 12 months, but to be very honest, if you're taking up a combo of both, a 12 months subscription doesn't work. So a 12-month subscription would cost you 49,500, that is 4125 per month, and 24 months would be 66,000, that is 2750 per month. And this live mentoring platform, which is coming soon, has one-to-one coaching, one-to-one doubt solving sessions, evaluated test series, printed books, industry expert sessions, and Discord. Live classes, weekly tests, study materials, unlimited access, and structured classes. Yes, the classes are done in a very structured manner. You get to experience, so what is this live mentoring? You get to experience seasoned mentors and doubt solver, one-to-one solution. Your doubts, your concepts will be clarified, and yes, mentoring to make up a study plan for you. No person can be the same, right? So everyone's study plans differ, so to help you with the study plan, we also have evaluated test series where You have the test series in three stages, where the first test series is for 40% of the syllabus, the second for 80%, and the last one for 100. Apart from that, we also have an analysis session for the test series, and also a personal guidance as to what was good or not good in your paper. So what are you waiting for? Get the subscription now. So coming to the case that we are going to discuss today, the name of the case is Lalman Shukla versus Gauri Dutt. So what happened in this case? Lalman Shukla was a worker, and in fact, let me give you a little background about this case. This is one of the most cited case, and lays down, it's kind of, you can say, even a landmark case. Lays down the whole, guidance about to what are the essentials of contract and how a contract is made. What are the essentials of an offer? And in fact, it is one of the earliest cases under the Contract Act, because Contract Act came in 1872 and this case happened in 1913. So you can understand first how old it is and how earlier it was. So it is one of the earliest cases of the Contract Act. Now, in this case, what happened was Gauri Dutt had many employees and Lalman Shukla was one of them. One day, Gauri Dutt comes to know that his nephew had run away. So he sent many of his staffs to go in search of the nephew. He also sent Lalman Shukla to go in search of the nephew, and also paid Lalman Shukla the cost of the fare to go. He actually had to go to Rishikesh to find him, and he gave him the money, also the conveyance charges and some money extra to go and search for him. In the meantime, Gauri Dutt, he took out handbills stating that anyone who would find his nephew would get a prize money of 501 rupees. Then 501 rupee was also very important. So Lalman Shukla, the staff, he got the nephew back. He was not aware of that offer also, neither did he claim about it. In fact, he was given 20 rupees and 2 sovereigns were given to him. He was happy. He was working. He continued working. After 6 months, he was sacked. He was thrown out of the job. So when he was thrown out of the job, he claimed that prize money. So Gauri Dutt refused to pay the prize money, saying that he's not entitled to get the money. So then Lalman Shukla filed a case against Gauri Dutt in the Court of Causes. And later he filed a case for the revision of this decision of the Court of Causes in Allahabad High Court. He claimed, that is the plaintiff, he claimed that Section 8 says that any act of performing is an acceptance of the offer. Irrespective of whether we are aware of the offer or not, there is no concept of privity of contract here. And he quoted Section 8 and he said that the moment I have done the work, that itself is an acceptance of the offer. And irrespective of whether I knew or not, I am entitled to this reward. To this, the defendant, that is Gauri Dutt, they claim that, quoting Section 2, Clause B, quoting the definition of offer says when the person to whom the offer is made, right? When the person to whom the offer is made signifies his consent thereto. They quoted this and they said that to accept an offer, it is mandatory. To accept an offer, it is mandatory that I must have been aware of the offer. If I'm not aware of the offer, how can I accept it? So Allahabad High Court then said that first of all, to accept an offer, there should be an offer which I should know about. The Allahabad High Court also said that the reason Lalman Shukla went off in search of the nephew was because he was ordered by his master Gauri Dutt. He wasn't even aware of the offer. He did not even know about the offer. The reason he went was because he thought it was his obligation to do the work as was given by his master. And on that grounds, he went off in search of the nephew. So the Allahabad High Court held that unless and until an offer is given and I am aware of that offer, only then I can accept it. An offer which is accepted without ignorance is not even an acceptance of the offer. And this was one of the most important case laws, and this is where the rule came: an offer cannot be accepted in ignorance. So 2 rules we have here. First, offer must be communicated, and an offer, second, from this only, an offer cannot be accepted in ignorance. I hope this case gave you a little insight on the whole point of how an offer is accepted or it should be communicated. So thank you so much.